Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to read Excel with static range. Range here means cell collections. We will use the activity get values cells activity to read the values in Excel. It returns the values of a specified cell range in active worksheet. We will see reading the single static cell value and reading static cell range values. Now let's go back to the automation and let's implement these steps. If you remember in the previous video, we have created this automation in which we open this Excel and close this Excel. The Excel looks like this. We will read the values of a static cell range, for example, A1 to B2. Cell range is represented in two forms. The first left corner, left top corner and the bottom right corner. To read the values, we will search the activity get cell values. We will drop down this activity in our main automation. If you see in the input parameter, it asks range definition default value get format visible only date format. In this video, we will only work with range definition. Let's go and enter the range definition. For this, I will click on this open the expression editor button right next to range definition field. Here, I will enter the range for the values which I want to read. I will enter A1 colon B2. I will click on check button which gives me green and click on save expression. There are many ways in which we can enter the cell range and all of them are given here. We can access this by clicking on the show more information button right top of on the range information field. We have used the third format. I will rename the activity to read static range. I will make a duplicate copy of this step and in this step I only want to read one cell. For one cell you can give only single cell address that is A1. When I will run this automation, the first activity of get cell values that is step number 3 should return me the values of two rows from a1 a a1 to b2. I will rename step number 4 to read single cell. I will save the automation and then run the automation. The automation ran successfully and let's see what are the value it has read. For this, I will go to the left hand panel and I will click on the step read static range. On the right hand side panel, I can see the input and the output parameters in the tester section. In the input parameters, I have given range as A1 to B2 and output section gives me the list of two rows. The first row includes two values first name and last name. and the second row includes the value Ram and Singh. The second, if I go back to the traces in the left hand section and click on read single cell activity, then I can see here I have given A1 as the range definition, and in the output parameter I only get first name, which is right value. So that marks as the completion of our this video, in which we have seen how we can read the values of a range with a static attributes and of a single cell. In next video, we will see how to read the values where we don't know how many columns and how many rows are filled. That means it contains dynamic range. Thanks everyone. Let's meet in the next video.